both in raw and cooked format because of the minerals and the ingredients that are in them for our body. And also they help to improve and boost on your immunity and also the digestion process. But have you ever thought about that onions can be of great help when it comes to your beauty problems? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sharfa. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notification and join the family. Why not? And if you love this video, mainly give it a very big thumbs up. It does count. So today we are going to be looking on ways on how you can use onion to heal skin problems such as glowing, dull skin, pimples, acne, and also wrinkles. Without further ado, let's get into the purpose of this video. So our first ingredient, we are going to need an onion straight from your garden. You can use white onions or you can use these red onions or even the small onions. Yeah, so an onion, naturally it has a natural ingredient that can help in maintaining the elasticity of the skin, and it protects your skin from the free radicals. It is also good at hydrating your skin, keeping it moisturized and leaving it with a natural healthy look. So the vitamins present in an onion can also help us rejuvenate our skin, leaving it with a natural glow, and it also prevents dullness on your skin. So the vitamins in an onion can also help you in boosting blood circulation and also providing you with a wrinkle-free skin. So let's get into other benefits. So the first thing that you are going to do, you are going to need a clean bowl and also a grater. So make sure that you clean your onion very well. Then our next step is to grate it. If you have a blender, you can blend it, but as for me now, I'm just going to grate it. Yeah, because we need that water in our onion. After grating our onion, remember onion has benefits like hydrating properties, rejuvenating our skin, boosting collagen production. So we are going to need lemon. Yes, you know, I've been talking about lemon. Lemon has benefits. It is rich in vitamin C, and the antioxidants present will help us clear our skin, heal dark spots, fade your dark spots, heal your pimples. So the reason why we need an onion, because we are treating acne and pimples. So it is good at burning those new pimples. So applying onion or adding an onion in our remedy today, it is of great help because we are going to be winning by fading away all those new pimples, fading your acne, and clearing our skin. So what we need is we just need water from the juice, the lemon juice from our lemons. Yeah, so just squeeze it and get the juice out of it. Then you strain it because we need just the juice. Yep, so this is our juice now. Let's continue. For our next ingredient, we are going to use honey. I love honey because it gives you a natural glow and it acts as a moisturizer. It has antibacterial properties which helps you to get rid of dirt and bacteria on your skin. It is good at boosting also collagen production because of the presence of the antioxidants. It is also great at preventing aging and leaving you with a youthful skin. So what we are going to need, or as you see, like, you know, I use this raw honey a lot, so I was just trying to find the right honey, but I think I need to purchase another tin. Yeah, So but at least we've got something like, yeah, of course we need like 1 teaspoon of honey in our ingredient today. This is the step that you've been waiting for. We are going to start mixing all our ingredients. So therefore you will need 1 teaspoon of your raw honey, then add in 1 teaspoon of your grated or blended onion juice or onion everything, all the properties of onions, and then you add in just like 1 teaspoon of your lemon juice according to your needs, and you can do this in the morning, also in the evening. Yes, and you apply it onto your skin, massage your skin for 1 minute. You can use a cotton ball as I'm going to be showing you, or you can just get the mixture then and apply it on your skin. Then you leave it to sit onto your skin for 20 good minutes. So this is how you're going to apply it on your skin in a circular motion. Always be gentle with your skin. So to those who are going to apply everything, all the ingredients without using a cotton ball, still you do the same thing, just apply in a circular motion. This will help you heal your pimples and also fade your acne, because it is good at treating pimples because of the vitamins present. Since we've been working on our pimples and acne, we also need to leave our skin wrinkle free. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to be using water. Water improves your skin tone, and sometimes drinking water helps your body to flush out toxins while giving you a healthier skin. So we are going to be using water to help us prevent premature aging. It is also good at healing your skin faster, and also it is great at preventing acne. Yes, so because of the pH levels in this water will help us to tighten our skin, so it will be of our great help. So you will need like 2 or 4 teaspoons of water. Then you add in like 1 teaspoon of you can use onion juice, or you can just use everything as the way how you see me doing it. Then you mix very well. You do this after applying the first step. Okay, after applying the first step with honey, lemon and everything, then you do this as your last resort. You get your cotton ball, then you massage onto your skin, just gently and softly. Don't over rub like that. No, just be soft and gentle with your skin. This will help you heal your pimples and acne. My question today is, have you ever tried using an onion in all your remedies? If yes, please drop the comment under the comment section down below. But above all, thank you for watching. Until next time in my new video, bye bye.